Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be talking about filling the biometric form that is issued by the police. This is the same form that you will get when you are applying for your police character certificate. They'll give it to you to fill, then scan, and finally you have to upload the filled version of this document. I know it looks different, and that's because I printed mine in black and white, and it is okay to print yours as black and white. You don't have to print the colored version if you don't have a colored printer. This form can be downloaded during the process of filling and applying for the police character certificate. It comes in two forms. There's one for male and there's another for female. I don't know if you can see or read this. It says female. So, how do you go about filling this form? It is straightforward and easy. I have applied for police character certificate twice from outside Nigeria, and this is the way I fill this form. Nothing complicated. Straight answer, I just go on to fill the biometric information, which are this. Yeah, just this session right here. Given that I've done this severally and I got approved, means that I have done nothing wrong. Okay, if you take a look at the form itself, there are other fields that need to be filled, and I skipped on those. And why is that? It's simply because I have filled the online form. So what is the point of repeating and re-answering the questions that I have already provided answers to? So my name is not necessary in this case. My race is not necessary. My address is not necessary in this place because I've already provided all of this information. My passport photograph, not necessary because I've already uploaded this on the online form. So as every other details or information or questions that they've asked on this form, except for this session. These are the only information that I have not provided on the online form. So that is why these fields are very important. These are the most important and compulsory fields that you need to fill on this form. Now, if you take a look up here, right here, you'll see right hand. Here, left hand. Okay? This means your right hand will be going here and your left will be going here. So it also gives you other prompts that can help you or direct you with filling the form. Now it says number 1, right thumb. What is your thumb? This right here is your thumb. This is your thumb. In this case, this is my right thumb. So I will be filling the form here. Okay. Number 2, it says right forefinger. This is my forefinger. This is my thumb. The next is my forefinger. So it will be going here. Now, the middle finger, of course, this is the middle finger. My right middle finger, thumb, forefinger, and middle finger. So it will be going here. My ring finger, this is my right ring finger, and it will be going here. Then my right little finger, this is my right little finger, and it will be going here. So just think of it as this. This is it. There's no crazy manipulation that you need to do there. Just put your right hand on it, and wherever your finger falls on, that is where it needs to go. As you can see, my thumb is not long enough to get to this part, but yeah, after you finish filling this, you have to come with your thumb to fill this. So you do the exact same for the left finger. And that's not all. Here is this field to fill. Okay? This field is where it says left hand, okay, and right hand. So what we're going to be doing is putting our left hand here, like the whole finger, and we feel like this, okay? Then we'll use all our right fingers and we feel, let me see if this, okay, and we feel like this. Okay, we feel like this. Okay, now here you could see, let's move this a bit. Here you would see the thumb, left thumb, right thumb. So you come here with your right thumb and you go like this, your left thumb, and you go like this. Simple, straight to the point, no headache. So how can you fill this form? It's not a matter of getting ink and smudging your finger in it, then no, you have to do it correctly. Okay, so I would use my right hand for this demonstration. However, I will not be adding any ink to my finger, and that's because I'm just being cautious. These days when technology can do anything, I don't want them to map out my thumbprint and use it for whatever. So I'm just going to demonstrate. I will be dropping the link to an affordable ink pad that you can use. You can find it on Amazon. And if you use this link to buy this ink pad, I'll be getting a little commission by the side. So if you want to support this channel, that can be a means through which you do just that. Now, right forefinger, okay? Our instinct, or most times we want to go like this, and that's it. No. Watch my finger. You go like this, okay? Then you roll. So think of it from right forefinger from left, roll to right. So forefinger, as I said earlier, the tendency is for us to do bam, and we're done. No, the right way to do it is you go from left, then you roll to the right. Okay? This is a natural movement, so from the right hand, you have to go from the left to the right. Now, for the left hand, you do the exact same. So here is our forefinger. So your ink is already stained on your finger. You do this, and you roll, and you remove it. If not, if you pull your hands, if you dip your hands into the ink and just boom, it's just going to mess the whole thing up, and there'll be no detail to your thumbprint. Now, I hope this has helped you in one way or another. Again, in summary, this is your right thumb, and this is how the finger will have to go on the right hand session. This is your left thumb. This is a bit uncomfortable, but this is your left thumb, and it doesn't work this way this time around. You have to now go backwards. So if this is your left thumb, you now have to go your forefinger, your middle finger, your ring finger, and your little finger. Then here is where you put your left hand. Your left hand, you have to stain the four fingers and just do this. Come here, the right hand, stain it and do this. Then your thumb, this, and that's it.